Am I the asshole for canceling my wedding because my fiance almost got our dog killed? Me, 28 male, and fiance, 27 female, have been together for 4 years and engaged for 6 months. I also have a 7-year-old lab mix who is the greatest dog in existence. On Saturday, my fiance had a bachelorette party at home. I stayed with my parents but left the dog with her because she likes having him there. However, I made sure to tell her to put the dog in our bedroom once the party started. 5 a.m. on Sunday, I get a frantic call that something's wrong with the dog. She was drunk, so I told her to call a cab and get to the emergency vet clinic ASAP. When I got there, she looked like she hadn't stopped crying for hours and she couldn't even speak. 2 of her friends were there. I had my fiance take the dog to the emergency vet clinic immediately. When I got there, she was so hysterical she couldn't even speak. 2 of her friends were there, so they told me that the dog is alive but not well. I felt sorry for her the entire 10 minutes while waiting for the doctor. But then, the doctor told me that my dog ingested large amounts of alcohol and chocolate edibles. The girls apparently thought it would be cool to leave everything out on short coffee tables. And then they left the dog to wander around instead of putting him in the bedroom like I said. And then they got wasted and not noticed that he was going to town with the booze and edibles. When we got home, I told my fiance to pack and get out of my house and out of my life. I told her to tell her guests that the wedding is off and I'll tell mine. She was shocked. She took her things and left. 2 hours later, I got bombarded with messages on Messenger, WhatsApp, by her sister's brother, her brother's wife, her mom, her friends. They were all telling me that I am insane to do this to her after 4 years. They started off by defending her, but quickly turned into insulting me. The logical thing for me to do was to look for comfort in my friends and family. But nope, they all fucking agree that I'm the asshole. My mom said, well, it was a mistake. She didn't do it on purpose. Besides, the dog didn't die. Lucky me, right?